I've seen so many videos trending online about what I ordered versus what I got from Temu, so I decided to give it a try. Yes, so my pack from Temu just arrived yesterday, so we'll be unboxing this pack here to see if we have been Temu'd. Actually, this is not my first order from Temu. I've been ordering from Temu, so I'm actually doing this video just to give some corrections and educate some of us on how to go about ordering from the Temu platform. Yes, so I'll be unboxing what we have here now so we can see what we actually ordered, if it's equal to what we got. And also, I've been seeing so many people say that the Temu zero sale, that is free sale, are scam. I'll be letting you know if it's a scam or not a scam at the end of this video. So stay with me to the end of this video to find out. So with all that being said, let's go straight into seeing what is packed in this guy. So this has already been ripped. As you can see, it has already been ripped. I actually ripped it myself, okay, because it was actually packed very well. So the first thing we have here, let's keep this here. Okay, let's keep this here so that we can see what we have. So the first thing we have here is a frameless 2D. It's a frameless 2D wall piece. As you can see, it's frameless. So I'll have to frame this myself. Actually, this was what I ordered, and there are 3 in numbers. This is it. This is one of it. This is 2, and this is the 3rd one. Remember, they are frameless, so I'll have to frame this myself before hanging it up there, and there are 3 pieces of them, and this is exactly what I ordered. Yes, you heard me right, because I took out time to measure it. As you can see, I took out time to measure this, and I can tell you that this is exactly what I ordered from Temu. So let's keep this aside. So the reason why I made this order was because of my glasses. So let's quickly find my glasses. Okay, let me bring out everything we have here, and I'll also be showing you what I actually got for free just by ordering this pack. Okay, I'll let us know everything. So this is what actually initiated all of what you can see here. I actually need this guy, and the only place I can find it is on Temu. So let's quickly check if it is what I actually wanted. So moment of truth. Okay, so we have this here just like so. Wow, I think, can you see it? Look at it. This is it. This actually feels sturdy, it feels rugged, and it's kind of strong and not that heavy. I think this actually looks good. Yeah, this actually looks good. Yeah, so what can you really tell about these glasses? Let me know in the comment section. So this actually looks good, and I like it for how it looks. It's actually 100 from my end. This is actually what I saw, and this is actually what I got. So I also got this microphone. This is the F11 wireless microphone. It's an AI noise cancellation microphone, as you can see. So I gifted out my last microphone, so I had to get this as a replacement. I've been using a wired microphone before, the one with a headset. Yes, so I'll be reviewing this product in my channel. So if you want to see the review of this microphone, ensure to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that you get notified each time I create a new video. Yes, we are not unboxing now, so let's keep it aside. This is actually what I ordered. Yes, it's actually what I ordered. So let's keep this aside. We have these and this, and okay, we have this guy here. Okay, let's see. This is a Ruby cube. Yeah, wow, this is it. This feels, oh my god, oh my god, I think I'm liking this guy already. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, it feels sturdy as well, and it's not that lightweight, which is, I'll give this a 9/10. Yeah, I'll give this a 9/10. So this is one of what we ordered. So this guy, I got it free. Yes. Let's see what we have. Okay. Yeah. So I got it free. This is a phone stand. This is a phone stand. Yeah. It's a phone stand, so your phone goes here like so. Wow, that's crazy. So your phone goes here like so. This is not a phone. So remember, I'll be telling you how I got free items from Temu at the end of this video. So this is a 3D clock. Yes, a 3D glow in the dark clock. A 3D glow in the dark clock. So we'll keep that aside as well. And what I love most about this order I made was this guy. This guy. Let me show you. I'll also be reviewing this guy. This is a an RBG remote control LED light. Look at it. And remember, let's see. I'll also be reviewing this in my channel. This is how it looks. So remember, I'll also be measuring this. So let me quickly measure it. So I'm done measuring this, and it's exactly what I saw on Temu. Yes, you had me right. Exactly. There is no short and there is no long. And I'll also be showing you how this actually works, because you can use it with a remote, and you can also control it from your phone, this particular one. So I'll be revealing it on my channel as well. So basically, those are what I got from Temu. So let me quickly show you how you can get your free items from Temu. So if this is your first time ordering from Temu, you go to the Temu website just like so. So when you get to the Temu website just like so, you search for this code ALF 423339. Remember to search for this code. So once you input the code and search, from that search bar, you can get your free items all from Temu. Before you get those free items, you'll be required to purchase 1 or 2 items so that those free items can come along the items you purchase. So that is how it works. So remember to input that code correctly so that you can get free items. That is the code to use. And also, here is a bonus tip. If you're ordering from Temu, this is what you need to pay attention to. Let me quickly show you this. For example, let's come down to this guy. Let's come up to this guy. Let's open up this guy. So if you want to buy this guy from Temu, this is where you need to pay attention. You come here, you look at the length and the size. As you can see, I bought up to 16 feet. I bought this guy. I bought up to 16 feet of this guy, and I have measured it. It's actually 16 feet. So ensure that you check what you're buying, this size, on every item you are buying from Temu. Ensure that you do that, because there are always sizes. When you open up any of the items, you come down to this point, you check here, you can see their sizes, and if you're not sure about what you're seeing, take a rule or a tape and measure them. So that is how you can buy items from Temu without getting scammed.